And now we're going to talk about how Harley-Davidson leverages their most significant strengths to achieve a competitive advantage within the marketplace. How do they bring value to their customers? They do this in three main ways. They have a strong industry reputation and standing. Over the last 100 years, they have established and maintained a reputation as a manufacturer of the highest quality and most reliable motorcycles and related parts. They also have a strong brand image and prestige. They have one of the most recognizable and widely respected brand names in the world within the motorcycle industry, with a certain level of prestige that is associated with their product offerings. And lastly, they have specialized personnel and industry experience. They employ expert engineering and design personnel in their core motorcycle and related product segment, as well as a team of experienced industry executives. Now, Harley-Davidson uses their value proposition based on a differentiation approach. They do this by offering unique product and design customization. They allow customers to fully customize and design their motorcycles. They are also innovative and have more eco-friendly products. Most recently, they've come out with the Livewire motorcycle, which is a more eco-friendly and sustainable motorcycle based on customer demands of wanting to have a more eco-friendly and sustainable product.